Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this is my personal experience using the product service. MTX.eu is a website specializing in bicycle parts, accessories, and apparel. While their online presence may appear somewhat simple, it's worth delving deeper to understand what they offer. The site's design prioritizes functionality over elaborate visuals, presenting a straightforward interface for navigating their extensive catalog. MTX.eu seems to focus on providing a wide selection of products, catering to a range of cycling disciplines. While a more modern design might enhance the user experience, the existing layout allows for efficient browsing and product discovery. One notable aspect is the apparent emphasis on competitive pricing, suggesting that MTX.eu aims to offer value to budget-conscious cyclists. Further investigation reveals a depth of inventory, including both well-known brands and potentially lesser-known, but possibly equally valuable, alternatives. This breadth of choice empowers cyclists to find precisely what they need, regardless of their budget or specific requirements. It's important to keep in mind that the website's minimalist aesthetic shouldn't be mistaken for a lack of substance. A closer look reveals a commitment to providing a comprehensive resource for cyclists. It appears that MTX.eu focuses on delivering a practical and efficient online shopping experience. While visual appeal is undeniably a factor in modern e-commerce, MTX.eu's emphasis on functionality might resonate with cyclists who prioritize substance over style. The website's simplicity allows users to quickly locate and purchase the items they need, without unnecessary distractions. In a world of increasingly complex online stores, this streamlined approach could be a refreshing change. It suggests a focus on providing a direct and user-friendly experience, potentially appealing to experienced cyclists who know exactly what they're looking for. Finally, it's worth noting that exploring the site's various categories and product listings will provide a more complete understanding of MTX.eu's offerings and their potential value proposition.